So that's the voltage across the motor and capacitors. So with the load, definitely delivering some current. So yes, I'm still playing with transients. So I'm running my LMD wave antenna experiment. Got a nice match. And the ground wire, so it's carrying a signal along, of course, is coming here to my obscure little rectifier system, strange little thing. And the capacitor output is going to the motor, right? Now, this rectification system is designed slightly differently. And the idea is that it's for transients to travel through, okay? And this is very temperamental. If I disconnect the exit wire, it needs an exit path, right? And it needs to be at resonance. Then yes, it will, without the load, I'll get a voltage across it with just a signal present on the input. But when I try to add a load, nothing much will happen. And I'll show that because the exit route is here. Before I disconnect the exit route, I'll demonstrate that it's also keeping this rectenna system charged, this exiting displacement current. And at the very end of the line, as you can see, is a torch flashing, which is being powered by this transient as well, these transients. So that torch has its own rectifier, and it's just being powered by this displacement currents. And and of course this is too. I'll show you now that I'll disconnect the exit wire. Now the voltage across the system under load has dropped significantly and the motor is no longer running. The SWR is still quite acceptable, and just stand by. So you can see the antenna is transmitting, right? Okay. Now what I'll do is I will reconnect the, I can't see this very well. Okay, oh, hang on, which way was that hooked? Sorry. Okay, I'll reconnect these wires. Beautiful, hey? So this is very, very interesting stuff. And so harnessing on the escape route, connecting with the rest of the world. Not so much a closed loop system. And I think a lot can be done with this. And I suspect that, this is the approach that, sorry, I'll just make sure this doesn't go to sleep. This is the approach I think that Tesla was playing with. And of course, closed circuit theory and Ohm's law, which is a closed loop, mathematical loop, does not allow for additional energy or anything like that. But I think that when we connect with the energy around us, it's not that we're taking energy, we're just linking in with it. And I think it's actually quite possible to get more than we appear to be putting in. But remember, we are energy, and everything we do is energy, and we are in energy, and everything is only transfer of energy. So I think I should be able to get to a point where I can come up with a system like this that will actually have enough to charge the battery that's running the system. I know people go, yeah. But think of an open system, not a closed system. 7-3, and thanks for watching.